In this video, we will learn how to create this logo. Create a new file, click on New File. Draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Select any background color. Open the layer panel, and lock the rectangle. Draw two circles and pick different colors. Now, draw a big circle in the center. Hold Alt and Shift to make a copy. And make another copy below both circles. Select the upper two circles and group them. Align them to the center. Draw one more circle in the center. Select all and pick the Shape Builder tool. Hold Shift and select. Follow the process. Follow the process. Now, apply a gradient color. And follow the settings. Follow the process. To make it look more realistic, we can do copy and paste it in front. Open the gradient panel and select 0% opacity for the light color. Now, open the transparency panel and select multiply in the blend options. Follow the same process. Please subscribe for more interesting video.